Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to animate a path using trim paths. This is perfect for line animations or writing effects. Let's get started. First, grab your pen tool or any shape tool and draw a path on your composition. Make sure Fill is selected to None. Make sure you have no layer selected so After Effects creates a shape layer instead of a mask. Once you have your shape, open your shape layer's content, click Add, and select Trim Paths. This adds a new Trim Paths property below your shape. This is where all the animation happens. Trim Paths control where your path starts and ends. To animate it, move your playhead to the start of the timeline, set a keyframe for the end at 0%. Then move forward a few seconds and set another keyframe at 100%. Now, when you play it back, the line draws itself on screen. You can do the same with start to make it disappear or animate both for cool transitions. If your path looks too mechanical, you can ease the keyframes to smooth out the movements. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.